In a colorful world filled with talking animals and magical creatures, there lives a friendly little monkey named Mikey. Mikey lives in a tree house at the edge of the magical forest. Every morning, he climbs down from his tree house and says,
"Hi! Hello!"
to all of his animal friends. One sunny day, as Mikey is playing with his toys, he realizes that something is missing. He wants to learn about numbers and colors. So, he decides to go to school. The magical school is in the heart of the forest, and it is run by a wise old owl named Professor Owl. He runs through the forest, singing songs and saying,
"Hi! Hello!"
to everyone he meets along the way. When Mikey arrives at school, he is amazed by all the bright colors inside. The walls are covered with colorful posters, and there are crayons of every color on his desk. Professor Owl welcomes Mikey with a warm hello and introduces him to the other animal students.
Hi, Mikey. Welcome to the magical school.
In school, Mikey learns about numbers, colors, and so many other exciting things. Every day he comes home with stories to tell. As the days turn into weeks, Mikey's world grows bigger and bigger, filled with friends, toys, and new ideas. His friends come over to play and learn and have fun together. Mikey's life is now filled with the joy of learning and sharing his knowledge with others. He continues to greet the world with a cheerful hi and hello as he lives happily ever after in his colorful and magical forest home.